Guys, this is Rachel with our little suburban homestead, and this is our trellising project. I'm sorry for the mess. I just have this cardboard down because we're trying to suppress the weeds here. But as you can see, I already have my bamboo pieces cut. We have a huge towering mound of bamboo here with our neighbor. So every year we have to cut some of the bamboo so that the fence doesn't break. And we've just been throwing it away, but now we're going to try and use what we have. It's a free resource available to us, and we're going to make some new trellising for these garden beds that we just recently put up. So we're going to get started. Let me go ahead and show you what he's doing. So right now, we're just stabilizing the posts, and Tony is pre-drilling holes into the bamboo and then screwing them into the posts. So I'll show you. So hopefully these won't come out during a storm. So we have one of the trellis frames put up, and we're going to start on the second frame, which is not going to be as elaborate as this first one. But once we finish that, then we'll be putting up this garden fence, 36 inches, and this is for our climbing vegetables. So we've got our cucumbers, zucchini, melons, beans, all of those. So they'll be able to climb up this, and we'll be putting that in rows, dropping down on the trellis. So let's begin.